PW23 Amena Akhtar deposed that while Home Minister Asaduzzaman Kamal and IGP Chaudhry Abdullah Mamun were passing across Jatrabari, one police officer was showing them a video of their attacks on protesters and said, "Guli kori ekta, more ekta, ahuto hoy ekta, ektai jay, bakita jay na." It transpires from the testimony of PW27, Dr. Mashuk Ahmed, that Chhatraleague activists stopped ambulance carrying protesting wounded near Shahidullah Hall of Dhaka University. They also checked the patient identity, asked the doctors not to treat the wounded protesters and also not to be so serious in their treatment. He further said 5 doctors were transferred elsewhere due to rendering treatment to protesters with bullet injuries. This witness also stated that the direction of the gunshot wounds of the patients treated on 19, 20, 21 July and 4-5 August in Dhaka Medical College Hospital was from the top to the bottom. He meant that the gunshot was done from above, which obviously imply helicopter. It appears from the evidence of PW47 Nahid Islam deposed that bullets were fired from helicopter and that many false cases were filed against the protesters, and also that the activists of Awam League, Jubo League and Chhatraleague prevented the treatment and burial of protesters. Furthermore, some of the protesters were forcibly disappeared and many dead bodies of the protesters were concealed. He himself and some other student leaders were abducted. PW48 Ali Ahsan Junaid stated that on 15 July 2024, Chhatraleague activists brutally attacked and injured the Dhaka University students, hindered going to the hospital and tortured them in the hospital. He further said that the protesters were fired from the helicopter.